County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kirkland to 5 miles west of West Brooklyn, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sycamore, Rochelle, Genoa, Shabbona, Delaware, DeKalb, Cortland, Kirkland, Waterman, Maple Park, Malta, Kingston, Paw Paw, Creston, Lee, Compton, and Stewart. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 102. Interstate 88 between mile markers 77 and 100. This includes Northern Illinois University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZ.
Lightning, hello. There's some. Whoa, oh my gosh.